got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, how long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of my mind, trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We have got a treat. Get the seatbelt on for you. So we are in a 2016 Lamborghini Huracan. It is the coupe. And Travis McNutt is piloting this today. So the reason why we're in this vehicle is Travis is doing a Ceramic Pro Gold package on this vehicle. They did a two-step paint correction, polished it, and then put the good old ceramic coating on it for the lifetime warranty. So we are lucky enough, shout out to Brandon, letting us review it. So this is crazy to me that there's no center display. All your navigation, your audio, all those controls are actually in your center dash over there, which is pretty crazy. So this is the Verde Mantis color, is what they call this green. I had to look it up because I did not know. It's got these nice green Alcantara seats. It's got all your fighter pilot style switches. Pull that back for reverse. You can either flip up the red toggle to hit the start stop button, or you can just press through the hole. It's got all your toggle switches here, windows, traction control, parking sensors, and this one's cool. It actually lifts the front up. You can actually lift the front up so you don't scratch anything. This thing is sweet. I love this color. What do you think about the color?
Oh man, it's one of my favorite colors. And all that Alcantara inside that matches, freaking so sexy.
Yeah, and everything's got these hexagonal shapes to it. It's literally everywhere. Anywhere you look, there's hexagon shapes, which is awesome.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Never noticed.
Yeah, it's on the grill, it's on all the vents, it's on everything. Every little accent has hexagon shapes on it, which is really cool. So this is the 5.2 liter V10, 610 horsepower through a 7-speed transmission, the DCT transmission, and it is obviously, of course, all-wheel drive. No problems in this. We could take this through a snowstorm if we wanted. Can we go find a snowstorm? So yeah, you know this is an Italian car when you see all the words.
Yeah, fuel says
it's in
benzina.
Yeah. Very Italian. This is sweet. Have you ridden in a Huracan before? You've done one, haven't you, or no?
Mm-mm.
No? Man, that sounds good. That exhaust note, though. Man, this car sounds so good. He was barely on the throttle, too. It's quick for NA.
Yeah, weird.
Listen to that exhaust note. Oh, man, that is sexy. Just wants to backfire. Man, that's sexy. Oh, it sounds so good. It almost sounds fake, man. That's awesome. So it's got rev matching, obviously.
And it does that by itself.
Yep, just rev matches. That's sick. It's so crazy how a stock car can backfire like that. These things are pretty quick. time driving a Huracan.
Hopefully not the last.
Woo! She quick. Man, that's quick for NA. She gets up and going.
Surprise me.
Oh yeah. God, I love how stiff the steering is. It's like driving a track car.
Yeah, it just feels like it's a freaking roller coaster.
Yeah, you feel like you're in a race car. I mean, everything is so shallow. I mean, we're tall people too, so everything feels real shallow. But man, everything's just right here. Good grip. It just feels like it wants to just want to rip it around a corner.
Yeah, it's just like, take me faster.
God, that thing sounds so good. It almost sounds fake, the exhaust. So
Yeah.
just man, that's sweet. It takes corners so smoothly. I feel like you could just rip it around the corner. Gravel. Oof. That's sweet. God, it sounds good. Those freaking downshifts. Ugh.
How long do I got to keep you, to keep you? Trying so hard not to keep you, to keep you.
That's cool. Let me get out and just watch you do it. Oh yeah, look how high that is. Go down real quick. Going down? Maybe I'll shut the door. But look how much higher that is right now in the front. Yeah, that's freaking cool. Look how low. All right, go up. Man, look at that. Man, that's sick. Chase, thoughts on the Huracan?
Man, I heard it coming down the street.
Man, the
Thought I
backfires
was
are
gonna-
so sick.
I know, I thought I was gonna get a ride.
Alright guys, so that was freaking awesome. Obviously we only got to take it around the block because it's not our car. He did say we could drive it and just kind of take it around the corner and get a feel for it. Luckily though, we got to drive it around. Shout out to Brandon and his Lamborghini. This thing is awesome. Huge shout out to Travis for paint correcting it and ceramic coating it. The car looks amazing. It's really cool riding in a car like this. It's totally different from my world of like V8s and superchargers and turbochargers. This is a naturally aspirated V10 and it still has a good amount of power. Plus it's really lightweight at only 3,400 pounds. I mean, it is a very light car, and obviously it's more of a track car. It's not a quarter-mile car or an eighth-mile car. It is a track car. However, it would do very well when you turbo these because they are all-wheel drive and they're very lightweight. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this really short video. I was lucky enough to drive it for a couple minutes and just to ride in it and to hang out with it all weekend. I took some really cool pictures of it. But if you like this kind of content and want to see more of it, make sure you always comment, like, subscribe, and make sure you always follow me on Instagram and Snapchat at VanV39, and we'll see you guys on the next one.